Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss conductance. It is denoted by capital G. It is the ease of flow of electric current through the conductor. Conductance denoted by capital G. It is the ease of flow of electric current through the conductor. It is the reciprocal of resistance. Do you know resistance is denoted by capital R? So G is equals to 1 upon R and its unit is ohm inverse 1. It is okay. Now the second term, that is resistivity. Resistivity denoted by symbol rho. This is rho. So this is already derived by the equation. Since we know resistance, electrical resistance is directly proportional to the length of the conductor, means R is directly proportional to L, and this resistance is inversely proportional to the surface area of the conductor. So R is directly proportional to L and R is inversely proportional to A, 1 upon A. Ultimately, by combining both the equations, we are getting R proportional to L upon A. Now this L upon A considered to cell constant, okay? And when final equation we get R is equals to rho into L upon A. This rho is the resistivity into cell constant. Or we can say finally resistivity is equals to R, resistance, into reverse value of cell constant. What will be its unit? Children, you know the unit of R resistance is ohm. It is okay. And area upon L means it will be of L centimeter and this is of ohm. So this resistivity means rho had one more name, one more designation, that is called specific resistance. Rho is also called specific resistance. Its unit is ohm centimeter. Now children, you know conductivity. This is denoted by kappa, small k, that is kappa, and kappa is equals to conductance into cell constant. Already you know kappa is equals to 1 upon R into L upon A, and its unit is ohm inverse 1, centimeter inverse 1. Okay. Now children, two more terms which we have to discuss: molar conductivity and equivalent conductivity. Molar conductivity is the conducting power of all the ions present in a solution having 1 mole of electrolyte, and this is formulated as lambda m is equals to K upon C, where the C is the molar concentration. We can say lambda is equals to K into 1000 upon C, means V, volume, means that volume of electrolyte should be in liter or in ml. So we can write here K upon C, and this C should be in molarity, or we can write K upon V, and that volume should be in liter, ultimately 1000. Its unit is Simon centimeter square mole inverse 1. Now equivalent conductivity, this is denoted by lambda EQ, and once again defined as conducting power of all the ions present in a solution having 1 gram equivalents of electrolyte, and denoted by the formula E equivalent is equals to K into 1000 upon C. Now here the molar concentration will not be taken, here the concentration will be in normality, so in gram equivalents. So normality will be used here in case of C. Instead in molar conductivity, molarity will be used in place of C. So children, these are the terms which are quite essential to measure the specific conductance, cell constant, resistivity, specific conductivity. Regarding this one numerical I am going to discuss, children. See, this is the numerical conductivity of N by 50 KCl solution is 0.002765 Siemens centimeter inverse 1. If the resistance measured is 400 ohm, find out the cell constant. Means what do you have to find out? The cell constant. Cell constant is L upon A. So at very first we have to find out the data. For this numerical we are going to give the solution. So given what data is given for N by 50 solution, KCl solution, kappa is given, resistance is given, and cell constant is asked. Okay, kappa is the conductivity, and this conductivity is 0.002765 Siemens centimeter inverse 1. And what is the resistance measured? 400 ohm. So we have to write here the value of kappa and R, and finally what we have to calculate? L upon A. This is the cell constant. We know the formula of kappa. Kappa is equals to 1 upon R into L upon A. Okay. So we should have to put the values. In place of kappa we should put the value of kappa, that is of 0.002765 is equals to 1 upon 400 into cell constant. So what will be cell constant? Cell constant will be the multiplication of both the values kappa and R, means 0.002765 into 400. Finally cell constant will be of 1.106 centimeter inverse 1. Children, you don't forget to write the appropriate units, because your marks will be deducted if you have not mentioned the appropriate units after the numerical. And in numerical there are step marking. Should have to write properly the data is given, then formula used, then finally calculation. Suppose this numerical is of 2 marks, then you will be getting 1 by 2 marks for this data, 1 complete marks for this calculation, and half marks of the unit. So ultimately step marking will provide you will be the weightage for you. And children, this chapter electrochemistry is very scoring chapter. You will score more and more marks from this chapter. Next topic we will discuss on tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day.